In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot Pro in Microsoft PowerPoint. Copilot Pro brings AI assistance right into your slides, helping you draft outlines, generate speaker notes, and quickly refine content. Let's walk through the setup together so it's ready the next time you build a presentation. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. It's easiest to begin from a clean window, so if you have any presentations open, you can leave them for now and come back after we finish. Next, head to the top left corner and click the File tab. This opens what's called the Backstage view, where you manage app settings rather than slide content. From the menu on the left, select Options. You'll find it near the bottom. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, where you can customize how the app behaves. In the Options window, look for a section or sidebar entry labeled Copilot. Depending on your version, it may appear as its own tab or as an item in the left panel. In some builds, it may simply be under General, but it will still be clearly named Copilot. This is where the AI features are managed. Inside that Copilot area, tick the box that says Enable Copilot. Even if your subscription is Copilot Pro, the label here may just say Copilot. That's normal. Checking this turns on the features so they're available in the interface. After selecting it, confirm any on-screen prompts to apply the change. For the setting to take effect, close PowerPoint completely and then reopen it. A quick restart ensures the new tools load correctly. If you had any files open, make sure they're saved before you exit so you don't lose your work. Once PowerPoint is back open, look at the Home tab on the ribbon. You should now see a Copilot icon. It typically appears near the right side of the toolbar. That icon is your entry point to AI assistance. Click it whenever you want help drafting slides, summarizing content, or reworking text. That's it. You've enabled Copilot Pro in Microsoft PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint, go to File, Options, find the Copilot section, enable it, restart the app, and confirm the Copilot icon appears on the Home tab. If you don't see the Copilot section or icon yet, it may be due to your version of PowerPoint, your organization's settings, or regional availability. In that case, try again later when updates roll out or check with your administrator. Thanks for following along. With Copilot Pro enabled, you're ready to create smarter, faster, and with more confidence right inside PowerPoint.